Hello, I'm David Daggett from Daggett, Shuler Attorneys at Law, and this message is regarding the Camp Lejeune contaminated water cases. Now, this message is going out to our clients and extended family from our Daggett Shuler law firm, but also to people in the Triad area and all across North Carolina. As you've probably heard, this past summer, Congress passed a law allowing claims to be made for people who suffered injury and damages at Camp Lejeune due to the contaminated water. All you have to show is that you lived at Camp Lejeune, worked at Camp Lejeune, were born at Camp Lejeune, anything that adds up to 30 days between 1953 and 1987 to be considered for the claims in this case. And what happened was there was contaminated water from benzene and other carcinogenic chemicals that affected people's health that we didn't know about till years later. Most of the time, you have what's called a statute of limitations, and these claims would be barred, but Congress extended that, and so we have 2 years from the date the law was passed this past summer of 2022. So there's all sorts of injuries that occurred. There's all types of cancer, and we're going to list those types of cancer on the screen for you so you can see that. You can also go to our website and these cancers are listed there. But people hear a lot about the cancers. There's other serious health complications due to the contaminated water. That includes cardiac issues, renal disease, which is your kidneys, Parkinson's disease, infertility, childbirth defects, stillborn children, miscarriages, immune system being impaired, skin disorders, neurologic disorders, and even cirrhosis of the liver. So the important thing is, if you have any of these things, you need to call a law firm that you trust who can review this to see if you have a claim that can help you and your family with compensation that you would deserve if you have these issues coming from the contaminated water. Now, there's something I want to go over with you. We're a local law firm here in North Carolina. We've got a reputation for looking out for the best interests of our clients. Ever since Congress passed this bill, we have advertising here in North Carolina from law firms across the country, and we also have advertising from what are called lead generators. Now, these lead generators, their ads look like law firm ads. They are not lawyers. What they are doing is getting your case and they're selling it to law firms far away. And that's not looking after your best interest. Likewise, some of the law firms that are advertising here, I actually went and looked at some of their websites from Texas, the Midwest, the far West Coast, way up north, places far away from North Carolina. They're advertising for these cases in North Carolina. I look at their website. They don't have any lawyers from North Carolina or are licensed in North Carolina, some of these law firms. So I think it's important that you have somebody who's got your back. We've got the reputation of doing that. So please call a local law firm who's looking after your best interests and not just people who are coming in and trying to take advantage of people in North Carolina. At Daggett Shuler, we take what we do for you very seriously. You can call us at 336-724-1234. We'll analyze your situation and do the best we can for you. We will arrange outside resources as needed to make sure that we have the power, the competence to handle your situation in a very professional and effective way. You can also go to our website. There's more information there. Thank you so much. We'd be pleased to look after you or your family member.